Hi, team. This is George. It's been great to get to know you over the first week of class, and it is it's incredible to me that we're already in week two. It seems like we just started. So we are here in week two, and I want to kind of go over it with you. Our discussion is going to be childhood issues and intervention. So we're in the childhood area. And we're going to be looking at creating annotated bibliography comparisons for children this week. So that's our assignment that's going to be due Monday, 8 a.m. So you have all of your discussion responses on the topic here. But I want to kind of talk about annotated bibliographies for a moment. Why are these important? Why do we care? Why should anybody care? Well, it's to help everybody out because we're building a database. And in the database, you're going to put 3 sources in there. So each time, so you're going to do add entry, and you are going to fill all of this out. Scholarly source 1, and then when you do your second one, it'll be scholarly source 2, then scholarly source 3. I have a hard time saying scholarly today. So, and then just simply follow the question prompts, write the population on your article is about and distinct issue the source addresses. So what is the exact issue? It should be pretty relevant. A lot of times it's right in the title. Believe it or not, then the bibliography information. So that's your APA reference right there. You just put the APA reference and then the location of the source. If there was a hyperlink for it, you can put it there. And then the audience that this is for. So provide a minimum of 3 possible audiences. First, who the source was written for. Was it written for counselors, parents, students? Who is it written for? And then describe the purpose of the source. What is the rationale? Is there strong supporting evidence laced throughout? How do you know if something is strongly supported? Well, take a look at it. If it was a case study, then is it strongly supported? Not so much. Case studies are great, don't get me wrong, but is that transferable? So is it the evidence laced throughout? So in the case, if it was an experiment and they have qualitative data, which is somebody saying how they felt something went, versus quantitative data, how things actually went, were they able to measure it, then it worked out, then that is very strong evidence throughout because that's a mixed method study. If it's just quantitative or qualitative, it still is well supported. You just have to state why. Was it a good literature review that was in the beginning, or was it just people saying, I think this, I think that, sort of thing? So go in and dig in. Some you'll find are well supported, some you'll find are not well supported, and that's okay. We just need to know how to decipher between the two. Then write 1 to 2 detailed paragraphs of the content. So what was it? So just tell me what it was and how it's applied. Is 2 simple ways to look at it. You don't have to follow that. So detailed paragraph 1, it will just state the topic and some supporting evidence for that. Then 2 is how you can apply what it is here. So that would be your 2 paragraphs. You can just go to create 2 explanatory paragraphs as well in here, but if you do the what and the how to apply, it kind of helps people looking at what you wrote. So, hey, maybe I need to look at this article because it pertains to what I'm doing as well. And then evaluate the content. Feel free to poke holes in it because nothing is perfect. No matter what we do in the social sciences, it is not perfect. So it has some strengths and it has some weaknesses. So let's point them out. And everything that we do has limitations. So you're going to do that 3 times, once for each source, and you want 3 sources. And if you forget, it's right there when you punch that first drop down, choose 1, 2, or 3. So let's have a fantastic week, and I look forward to engaging with you in the discussions again.